Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Vogo, it's Sign. This is November bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Vogo, it's Sign. What are the messages for you? Maybe you're dealing with Leo. Virgo, what is going on? So under the deck, 5 of Wands, 2 of Cups, Page of Cups, 5 of Pentacles and King of Wands. Someone left you out in the cold. 5 of Pentacles, cold shouldering energy. Your person maybe ghosted you without saying anything or neglecting you, or they're treating you as an option here. Someone wants to say apology to you. Communication is coming, apology is coming. Yeah, there is love between you and your person, but it's not I think, yeah, love is there, but there is no equal give and take. It's mutual, but there is no equal give and take. Lot of drama is going. Maybe one person have options in this connection. So let's see your reading, Virgo. So recent past, strength, Ace of Wands and King of Pentacles. I think in recent past everything was okay. You're working on your finances, and there were new opportunities for you, new beginnings, especially in career wise, and as a person wise, you are becoming like very strong person emotionally. Yes, because you are working on your inner strength here. The Leo card is here, the strength card. So everything was okay in recent past. Then present, the Hangman, 7 of Swords and 2 of Swords. I think your person is sneaky. They are playing games with you, maybe lying to you, cheated on you. So that's why you are at some crossroads here. You have to make some decision, but you can't. And some trust issues also involved in this relationship. That's why you're feeling stuck and you're at some crossroads. You don't know which decision you have to make here. Then future, 8 of Cups, 8 of Pentacles and Ace of Cups. Maybe you want to leave this connection or you want to disconnect from this person here and you want to focus on your career and you're working hard or you will working hard to achieve your goals and you're doing self-love here. In near future, you will love yourself and you're taking care of yourself. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Virgo, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. Under the deck, 2 of Wands with Queen of Cups. Lots of you are in a long distance relationship here. Yes, they have feelings for you and they also have to make some decision. So let's see their current feelings and intentions towards you, Virgo. Maybe you're dealing with Capricorn. Okay, let's see their intentions also. Under the deck, Queen of Pentacles, the Fool, Justice. Maybe you're dealing with Libra here, and 2 of Swords. Yeah, they have to make some decision or they have to make some choice here, but they want brand new beginnings with you and they want second chances and they're ready to share their life with you. Their current feelings, Page of Swords, Devil, and Knight of Pentacles. They are obsessed with you, Virgo, and they are watching you. If you are in separation right now, they are spying you on social media a lot, and they're really thinking about stability with you, and they are heavily obsessed with you. Yes, because the devil energy here, obsession, and their intentions, King of Pentacles, Five of Swords, and Ace of Wands. Yeah, definitely they did hurt you. They left you out in the cold without saying anything. Maybe they ghosted you. um, but now they have regrets for that. Now they want passionate new beginnings with you because Ace of Wands. So Ace of Wands, they are crazy over you. So a lot of earth energy, maybe you're dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn. Now definitely they have regrets. That's why they want another chance. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Virgo. Yeah, Eight of Cups with Eight of Swords. Yeah, now they're ready to leave behind everything like disputes, arguments, and they want to leave their ego behind and want a new start, but they are stuck. Yes, your person feeling stuck here. Again, the hangman under the deck. Definitely they are stuck, but they really want to offer Ten of Pentacles stability. Page of Swords. For some kids also involved in this relationship, I think you also watching them on social media, and I think you have some inner conflict, Virgo, and there is lot of drama is going. That's why you're still watching them and watching their moves towards you. Yeah, it is mutual. Love is there. They're coming back with an apology here. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person, Virgo. Maybe you're dealing with Gemini. I think you are investing your energy or your time into something here, Virgo. Maybe you're working hard to achieve your goals, but they're rushing to communicate with you. Yeah, you also still love this person, but you're just watching them. What they are going to do, and they're rushing to communicate with you, and for some you both have age difference here. Definitely you will receive communication from your person, and again obsession. I think for some, maybe some of you, this person may be toxic for you guys. You both missing, and you also want some positive growth in this relationship, but you are just watching, not making any move. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Lot of abundance is coming. Long distance relationship, maybe lots of you are in long distance relationship, and this person is sneaky. For some, maybe this person sneaky for you, and lot of abundance is coming, and long distance relationship. Maybe you both right now living in different cities, countries, or states. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Virgo. You may be dealing with Capricorn here, strong earth energy. Have faith. Sorry, so many cards I'm not taking. Communication is key. New moon in Gemini. Yes, you will receive communication from your person, and the message is communication is key. Maybe lots of you are dealing with Gemini. Emotions are running high, super moon. So for some, maybe your emotions are running high. So if you are in this case, just do meditation to heal yourself. And under the deck, what do you need to release? Waning moon. So if you are thinking about your person negatively or you are getting a lot of negative thoughts, this is the message for you. So you have to release all those negative thoughts and negativity in you, because negative thoughts also creates resistance in the relationship. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.